Out of all my time of being a property photographer, this is a new first to me. This is the first time I've ever shot a property which has 5 floors. I'm trying to think of some of the massive townhouses I've done in Edinburgh and the other houses, but the closest one I've had is a 4-story with a roof terrace, or a roof thing. But this is actually 5 floors, and it's incredibly complicated because it's 5 floors with 2 internal balconies, 2 external balconies, loads of bathrooms, open plan. It's just amazing. It's so cool. I thought I've got to show you around it. So we'll start off from the front. It's a TARDIS as well, because check as we go up, all the way up there. It's very cool. It's a TARDIS because on the outside it looks big, but not nearly as big as what it actually is. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. And, oh yeah, and there's also underground car parking as well. So here is that. Just seems like we've got garage, first floor, second floor, maybe third floor. But it's so much more than that. Let's head in. So, I've actually lost count of how many bedrooms it is as well, so we're going to have to figure that out as we go. So, as we walk in, you think you're on the ground floor, you're not, you're actually already on the first floor up. So as we come in, we've got kitchen with an island, liking that. Got a nice solid sink, nice wooden worktops, loving it on here. Then you've got this kind of open plan area. So this is the first, it's not a mezzanine floor, it's just an internal balcony. Which is really cool. You can look over and see what's down there. So double height, I love a double height ceiling room there, and open plan kitchen, sitting room, dining room. I would just love to. I would love to see what this place is like once it's furnished. Then I'd go down the first set of stairs. So now we're down to the ground floor. So again, down here, or garden floor, we might want to call it. Very cool. Got just a brilliant place to hang out with family. Okay, so balcony as well. Not balcony, garden. Look at this, sunshine. 11 o'clock in the morning, sun streaming in. It will go from there over to there. Garden, looking on point, and you've got something going on there. Don't know what that is. That's like side of the house. I haven't actually looked over the fence to see what's over the fence yet. Ooh, that's just into somebody else's gardens over there. So yeah, from here now you're starting to see there's a couple more floors. So it still looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories. In fact, I need to go take a photo with my super long telephoto stick. So hold on. Okay, so that's the high up shots with the stick. Get a nice high up shot here. Oh, and it's also totally sheltered because it's a little bit windy just now, but yet, however it is, there's no wind. So downstairs, or ground floor, this room here, going up there, great for kids going in and out the house. You've got a downstairs WC with all the bits that you need. Got some more understairs storage. And then you've got private car parking space down here as well. I think that's shared with other properties around here. But yeah, direct access from the car park. So floor 1 and up. Or first floor now, kitchen and entrance. Mirror, which is a wee bit disorientating, goes up. A first shower room, so nice sink, nice toilet, nice, really cool shower, like that with a little alcove bit there, good. And then, guessing, first bedroom. With a TV on the wall. Bedroom with TV? Yeah, would it be a bedroom? Or would you turn it to a study? I don't know, I think there's definitely more bedroom in here. Okay, so that is here. Let's go up. So that's bedroom 1. Let's head upstairs. So onto the second floor. Walk-in wardrobes. Nice. And first bedroom, big bedroom. And so this one's almost got a balcony. I suppose you could open that and go out there. I don't know if you're allowed to. Doesn't look like you're meant to go out on that, but that is kind of another balcony. And then your ensuite, which is a massive one here as well. Toilet, bidet, not very common. His and her sinks, nice. Looking good. And then, now this is where it gets even better. So I just love this stairwell. I love how symmetrical it is. And then here, this I just don't know what it'd be. Is it the living room? Yes, it's got all the internet cables and all that kind of stuff, but it's kind of got a stage. I love it. A room with a stage. So here you've got your view out onto the road there, but then wait for the best bit. Best bit as we turn around, it's the first internal balcony. Oh no, so this is the second internal balcony. So internal balcony number 2. So yeah, this is kind of really cool having a stage. Yeah, I can just imagine families in here with their kids, Christmas time, doing a stage show for the family kind of stuff. Just very cool. Oh yeah, definitely like lots of TV cables and all that. Just cupboard, nothing in there. But yeah, just double height, windows there, and your second balcony, second internal balcony. Let's head up a bit more. So if we go and check it out, so this room again is another room. I don't know what you do with this. Again, I need to see this place actually furnished to see what you put in here and how you work it with downstairs. Is this just another hangout place? Fill it with beanbags or something? But again, I imagine if you had kids and they'd be loving to throw little action figures over there with their little parachutes or something. Storage in there. Oh yeah, if you have a little action figure with a parachute, put them down the stairs would be awesome. And then this is where really confusing on the floor plan. As you come in, we've got the bathroom there. Then we go into the bedroom. What are we up to? 3. But then there's the bathroom again. So we've got a nice little circular path we can do into the bathroom. So again, bathroom. Got some good paint schemes going on. Blue, white. And I like the light that they've got around this mirror as well. That's a nice light. And this room. Oh, now we're starting to get the good views. Look at that, over to the Pentland Hills. Oh, looking good. Okay, then up onto the 5th floor now. So we're on floor 4. In the UK we say the 3rd floor. 3rd floor up. I've got a nice big bright skylight, bringing all the light in. And then at the front, definitely another awesome bedroom with a massive balcony. Check. Ooh, so external balcony number 1, possibly 2. Got your views everywhere. Nice. And then I'm doing the Matterport scan at the same time. And then this is where it gets really interesting. We can go back out that door, or we can go this way, past the cupboard, into what's this called, a Romeo and Juliet bathroom or something, where you can go in and out, and then into the next bedroom. Oh, I haven't actually appreciated this yet. Look at that view. Look at, I need the keys. Need to find the keys. Got the keys, got it opened, and then check out this. Oh. You're up with the birds. Oh, This is nice. There's your view all the way down to the garden. The views of the Pentland Hills. Over to Blackford Hill, where the observatory is. Nice. Ooh. Liking this a lot. I can see there's terrible weather coming in, so I need to go back in quickly, go get the photos of the view just now. But yeah, just thought I had to share this one with you. First ever 5-story property, 5 floors, 2 internal balconies, underground parking, lost count the number of bedrooms, and just brilliant. What a cool place to live. But also at the same time, I'm getting dizzy going down so many stairs. So cool, very cool. In the kind of Morningside area of Edinburgh as well, near a famous old cinema called the Dominion, I think. Nice. There you go. Hope you enjoyed.